Short questions, Chapter 13, 1. How can you compare EMF of two cells with the help of a potentiometer? 2. What are the difficulties in testing whether the filament of lighted bulb obeys Ohm's law? 3. State Kirchhoff's first and second rule. 4. Name two different effects of current. 5. Do bends in a wire affect its electrical resistance? Explain. 6. Does filament of a lighted bulb obeys Ohm's law? 7. Write down the value of equivalent resistance for three resistors R1, R2, and R3 when joined in A series and B parallel. 8. Why does the resistance of a conductor rise with temperature? 9. Is the filament resistance lower or higher in a 500W 220V light bulb than in a 100W 220V bulb? 10. A potential difference is applied across the ends of a copper wire. What is the effect on the drift velocity of free electrons by increasing the potential difference? 11. What is meant by the term tolerance? Explain. 12. Find the resistance of 500W 200V light bulb. 13. What is conventional current? 14. What are the Mr. Give their uses. 15. Describe a circuit which gives a continuously varying potential. 16. Why the terminal potential difference of a battery decreases when the current drawn from it increases. 17. Define conventional current and electronic current. 18. State Ohm's law. Also define ohmic and non-ohmic devices. 19. Give two substances having negative temperature coefficient. 20. Write names of two energy sources. 21. Briefly describe the current through a metallic conductor and drift velocity.